on my way now. You just give me a...
Alright, so this is the unit that I got from Ali Pearl Hair. This is literally straight out of the box. Look at the hairline. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is their HD lace. It's definitely going to show up undetectable once I'm done with this. But it goes back, it says it's 13 by 6, so this goes back really far. And yeah, it's just beautiful. It also comes with an elastic band on the inside, but I'm gonna kind of do my own thing with this and show you how this looks. But the hair is super, super soft and silky, and we're gonna have fun with the install. So, all right, so this is how the wig from Ali Pearl Hair is looking up close. I cut the lace a little bit, but I'm gonna cut more of it on camera so y'all can see. And so I can tailor it to my head shape. This is a cap size small. So I'm gonna just pin everything back like so. Hi guys, I'm back with a new video and I'm going to be reviewing this wig that I got from Ali Pearl Hair. It is super pretty and it's their HD lace wig, undetectable. Like if y'all can see this, it looks beautiful, and this wig comes curled like this right out of the box. I've had this wig for like, I think a few days now, and I just brushed out the curls and this is how they're looking. So this is their body wave unit, and I'm going to get into the specs of this, but I've already kind of installed the unit on camera and showed you guys kind of how I didn't really have to style it. I actually did cut some bangs in there to frame my face better, but honestly, there's not much that you have to do with this. Now this is a 13 by 6 lace, so it goes back 6 inches. It goes back very far. My finger kind of stops right here. That's where like the lace, sorry, that's where the tracks start. And honestly, this is a close-up. Honestly, I didn't do a bad job on this. All I did was put like a little bit of my lace glue, and then I just put I put the spray there. But honestly, this is a great close-up. I didn't have to bleach the knots either. It's already pre-bleached for you and pre-plucked. So there's really nothing that you have to do, honestly. They did such a great job. How long it is. So 1 second. So yeah, this is their HD lace frontal wig, 24 inches. So it's like very much mermaid hair. That's how it's looking. Also in the back. Oh, it's so pretty. Literally already curled for you, and I put a couple more wand curls in the front. That's literally it. Now the pricing of this wig, that's gonna be our biggest thing here, and let me show y'all what that is. I didn't have the lace pre-cut. The price is $401.63, and probably one of the pricier units that I've gotten, but honestly, you're getting a lot for it. and you're getting really good quality lace with this, plus it goes all the way back and you're getting a lot of hair. I'm pretty sure the density is 180, but also if you guys want an extra 10% off, the code is HD10. So you can go ahead and get 10% off, and they also take Afterpay, Klarna, and PayPal. So you can pay it in 4 different payments over the span of like, what, a couple months? So not bad. But yeah, honestly, I don't know if there's anything else for me to really say. It does take curls really well, and this is a body wave unit, so you're getting it already kind of having a natural wave to it to begin with, and that's it. They also do free shipping. It's a Brazilian body wave. So again, I'm gonna show y'all how this looks when I pull my hair back. It's absolutely gorgeous. I actually sewed in an elastic band, but it comes with an elastic band already built in for you guys to go ahead and use. But I prefer to honestly sew in my own. I'm gonna zoom further back, but this is how it's looking as a whole. Super pretty, and I also did a little curtain bang look too with it, which y'all can go ahead if you order it. It's not hard. You just get a razor comb and then you just kind of razor the bangs to frame your face. And I stop like right here to cut my bangs. I don't really go shorter. I just kind of stop here and then layer it out. But yeah, this is my new room, so I hope that you guys like it. Hopefully you guys like the setting. I probably will be filming in here from now on. It just depends on how I feel, but yeah. Anyways, you guys have an amazing night. I'm gonna put the link to this wig down below for Ali Pearl Hair. I'm gonna go take some intro shots and take some photos because I feel like it will do it justice. It's super cute. Hope you guys like it. Okay, bye.
Waste my